Hello and welcome everyone. If you are new to this channel, my name is Amit Patel and you are watching Musings with Engineers Live. And if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, then subscribe to this channel, because on this channel, I'm going to share all the ideas, insight, tools and tactics that will help you to go from whatever level you are currently in the software industry, okay, to the epic level of success. Okay, so if you have not yet subscribed, then subscribe to this channel and let us begin. Now I have 3 years of experience, but non-technical. I'm looking to switch to ETL development. And is it a good time to switch as many layoffs? Last year I tried very hard getting into data science, but failed due to no experience, as it was very vast topic. This year I have invested time in learning Informatica to start my step. Data science is very good. It will take time to learn, but if you learn really well, there is going to be a lot of jobs in data science. Okay, if you want to learn something in data science and change your track, certainly change your track. Okay, but when you're changing your track, remember you are going to start from beginning. Since you only have 3 years of experience, you can do this. Like I went from support, 18 months I did support, and then from there I went into development. But it was early years of my experience, correct? So in that 18 months I learned what is supporting a software application, but I also started learning programming, and then after 18 months I started doing programming, correct? So I switched my role into programming. Okay, so you can do that. So you are moving from data warehousing to whatever you're moving to. What you can do is you can use your 3 years of experience in data warehousing, and you can use this, whatever you are learning new, how you can use this experience and data science and combine. So when you go to a new company, you show it as a specialization, that look, I have all this knowledge of data warehousing, and you apply your knowledge of data science to data warehousing. Okay, and whatever companies are working in this logistics and other department where data warehousing is, whatever companies are working in data warehousing, or whatever companies are working in those fields, okay, there you start applying your knowledge of data science. So you combine two fields to create a new field, to create a specialization kind of a thing. Okay, and this combination can happen with everything. You are a literature students and you start doing data science, you can combine literature and data science. You can start studying the psychology of people, because in literature maybe you learned about psychology, and in data science you'll understand how to study how to read the tweets of people using data science, okay, and make a meaning out of it using data science and machine learning. So you can combine literature and data science. So same way you can combine whatever field you are working in with the new field, so that your 3 years or 4 years of experience is not lost. You are adding to that knowledge, and then find companies which are in that area for your jobs. Okay, don't go to regular companies, find some company which is totally different. For example, 2 or 3 years back, BMW announced that BMW is going to hire more software engineers than mechanical engineers. This was an announcement BMW made, and I think by year 2025 or 2023, BMW will have 50% more software engineers than they had in the beginning. So they are moving towards all these software tools and automation and all these things. But if you are a mechanical engineer, if you know all the things about mechanical engineering and everything, and you learn the new things, maybe you learn Internet of Things, you learn RPA, robotic process automation, you learn things which are going to be used in automation, or you learn something about Google Maps, or whatever new things you learn, you combine your knowledge of mechanical engineering with the new things, that will give you an expertise that nobody can deny. If you are out of college, get a job. There is no other thing. Do whatever you want to do, but first get a job. Okay, so thank you very much for coming live on this channel with me, Musings with Engineer. Next live will happen Thursday 9:15 p.m. Thank you very much. Have a good day.